Welcome back to another YINK software tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the save data and share data. These are super handy features for storing and sharing your vehicle data, whether it's your own modifications or data shared with you by someone else. The best part is that your saved data syncs directly with your YINK account, so you can access it from any computer you log into. How to save your data. 1. Once you have opened or modified the data you want to keep, click the Save button. 2. In the dialog box that pops up, enter a custom name for your data. I recommend naming it something that's easy for you to find later, as this will help when you search through your saved versions. 3. After you enter the name, you'll see two options. Save. This option will save your data as a new version. Keep in mind that if your custom name matches a name already in your saved versions, this will create a separate file with the same name. Overwrite existing file. Use this if you want to update an existing file with the same name. This is helpful when you're working on a modified version of the same vehicle data and want to replace the old file. Click Save, and you'll get a confirmation that your data has been saved successfully. 5. Head back to the data center and click on the Saved Versions section in the left navigation bar, where you'll find the data you just saved. How to share your data. 1. If you want to share your saved data with another YINK user, go to your saved versions and click on the data you want to share. 2. Click the Share button in the lower left corner. You'll see a share code and an identify code generated for that data. 3. Share these two codes with the person you want to give access to. As long as they're using YINK software, they can input these codes to use your shared data. For more details on how to use the share code, you can refer to our share code tutorial video. And that's how you use the save and share data in YINK. These features make it easy to manage and share your data across devices and with other users. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your YINK software experience. Thanks for watching.